promise you ain't never really freak out till you out of freak out and see each and every freak out on Freak Outs to Freak Out. Let's see about it. No credit, no credit, no credit.
Man, they really ain't serious. Do you know what type of women I've been dealing with? I used to pop blues with my little chick. I call her boo cause the real when the whip forget. I use her Uber to school me to SLS. But you expect a little groupie to see my crib? Oh no, these women ain't serious. Do you know what type of women I've been dealing with? Try to tell me Adderall, make her get a rush. Used to the study until she fell in love. Tell me that little buzz just make her think a lot. I told her, nah, you lying cause you don't eat enough. Nah, these women ain't serious. Sprinkle a little something up in the lip. Start slipping and now she sweating her lips clenched. Kinda dizzy, your friends tell her to get a grip. I'm trying to give me a real woman to take out. But for now, they wild, they rather get it in.
Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Pills and subs. Numbers ain't enough. But they still need love. Girls on drugs. But they still need love. Girls on drugs.
When she land low, bars to break, so many bars to break. She had the Grammys turned under the stars is fake. She like, oh my God, I'm on the moon, I'm lit. I'm my particular moon like a platoon of shoot. You know the hitters that I'm dealing with. Moon. Politicians and then a couple of us on the road. In my position to give my lyrics to little kids is not official unless I'm giving them authentic. We all living with small demons, we all singing this song. Similar bros with us in their bone getting. Let me tell you about the women I be chilling with. The really insecure ones look good in here, right? Nothing fill the void of a little pill, a little shot. She ain't shy when the lips spill. And it's hard to feel alive when you're feeling dead. Inside, beside that the line, life is so real. Let me tell you about the women I be chilling with. Told me nobody love her, and so she cut her wrist. Not enough for that hospital, but cut her close. That's why she wanna get high, cause she be feeling low. Told me put me a vodka, pull a little smoke. So I can numb her inside so we will never know.
Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Girls on drugs. Pills and subs. Numbers ain't enough. They still need love.
Hey, this for the top. This for the top. Okay, just let that motherfucker ride. So this is a loop, right? Yeah. Feel good, yeah. Hey. I ain't saying I'm a trendsetter though. Okay, Valentino. Hey. Valentino. Yeah. Okay, Valentino. Used to rock that all Moschino. Jeremy Scott done got that box and now I'm plotting Valentino. Hey. Yeah. We talking Valentino. Hey. Yeah. Valentino. Used to rock all that Moschino. Jeremy Scott done got that box and now I'm plotting Valentino. I did it from nothing. Ignore my teacher, looking at the hustlers, nigga with the Gucci pockets. I was 8th grade and I was not paid, but never came through not stunting. No sense, no rules, couldn't fuck with me. No pets, that was iceberg goofy. No pets, still had iceberg my leg. Okay, got a lot of bodies, swear to God, I'm about to get more. Iceberg, shawty, my tag had that Gilmore. Young niggas still knew what it's in for. Met school looking like I had a lick for. Only problem with the fit is I'm 5'6", and the nigga that I swap with a 6'1". But now it felt good to be a fashion week with your girl. Fashion week to see Robin. Fashion week of my fur. Felt good. I gotta keep it 100. Been rock the bait, the niggas got the day, but the day the camo come from. Nigga Valentino. Hey. Valentino, okay. Valentino, used to rock that all Moschino. Jeremy Scott done got that guaps and now I'm plotting Valentino, hey, it's up in Valentino, hey, Valentino, used to rock all that Moschino. Jeremy Scott done got that guaps and now I'm plotting Valentino.
You have one new voice message.
Hey Wale, it's Jeremy. I got your call. I'm in Milan working on my next collection. I heard you're in LA recording Shine. Let's link up when I'm back home. Ciao.
Shit got so bad. Fucking on hoes, fuck it. Who want me to brag? Wait. Good morning. I hope everybody is having a good morning. Hope everybody had a good night. Hope everybody is blessed. And of course, thank you. Wait, let's fix this. Turn this down. There we go. All right, and I appreciate it. Okay. So we are here this Thursday. 2 more days left of the week. And let's get into it. Start off with, let me make sure this is right.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
Okay. Got it. All right. Forex Factory. Let's get into it. So for today, 10 a.m. we have ISM services, PMI. Let's go into the folder, see what that is. So of course, same as usual. News, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Above 50 indicates industry expansion. Below indicates contraction. So we're forecasted for 55.5. If we're above 50, that should be good. But I'm assuming we need to be above 55.5 to have a bullish day. But we'll see. We won't know until the market kind of, reacts. So we might start looking for a trade around 10:15ish. We'll let news come in, let the numbers play around 10 o'clock, and then 10:15 we should be able to look for a trade. All right. Let's get into this. So for the month, it's only been 3 days, and look how much we've dropped. This is about 800 points. So if we start breaking some lows, you look to the left, there's nothing but range down here to fill and keep going down. So we'll have to see if we can make some lower lows, we should be able to continue down. Although, all right, let's get into it. Let's put some support. Put support about right here. Resistance at the top of the monthly candle. All right. Now I talk about breaking the lows. These are the lows I'm talking about. If we can make lower lows, we most definitely should be driving down. But that might take some time. Let's see, those are daily. Now, this is what's a little weird, and I'm trying to kind of play it out, right? I've been waiting for this inverse head and shoulders. And currently for the day, we've broken that other shoulder to the left, right? So two things could be true. We could be faking out or canceling people out by liquidating, and then we're going to turn bullish and drive up with news. Or the inverse head and shoulders is not valid, and we'll just break down and continue bearish. So we have two options. We're going to see how today really plays out. And again, we still have NFP tomorrow, so who knows what could really happen. We will have to wait and see. Say it all the time. There's nothing wrong with coming in second place. We don't have to predict it. We just want to see what happens, and then we get in for a trade. All right, 4 hours not really telling us much. As for the 1 hour, we're a bit bullish, but we've been bearish ever since last night. Very bearish. But then again, we're getting news at 10 a.m. So I have no true bias. I have no real bias. Initially, my bias is bearish because we've been bearish since last night, right? But as you see, the hourly candle currently is bullish. And then we have news at 10. So if news is good and we turn out bullish, we could maybe be creating support. Right? So again, we're going to wait. Just be patient, not force anything. And let the market give us a direction. So as for now, we're just going to be patient. We're going to get a new 15-minute candle in about 8 minutes. So we're just going to wait and see. It's curious. I'm curious to see if this inverse head and shoulder is going to play out, because we're below the area where I thought we should have already kind of created a support. But we will see. We will see what happens. We shall see. 30-minute is turning bullish. Created a bottom wick. But the thing is that the 30-minute did do was create a lower low with this wick, right? So with it creating a lower low, that indicates that a bearish move to create newer lows is also still valid. So at this point, you just gotta wait. We're just gonna wait. Be patient and not force anything. So far for the month, this is day 3. Yesterday we took 2 trades. First trade we got about, I want to say 13, 14 points. Second trade we managed to get about 9-ish. That's how much I got. At least if you stayed in, you might have been able to get 11, 12, but I got about 9 on that second trade. It was just, I was getting a little ahead of myself. So I decided to take it out a bit early, but so far we're 3-0 for the month, and it's looking like we should have a good month. We got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. We'll get a new 15-minute candle / 15-minute candle of the hour. And we'll see if this hourly candle could turn bearish or are we going to continue bullish. Right now, we really don't have much of a bias. And the only reason why we don't have a bias is because we have news today. We have news. We've been bearish all day and all night, but news could cause us to flip. Let's actually indicate that. Let's put this here just in case. This will be the daily flip. Just in case. Let's see what happens. It's about 100 points. But if that does happen, from here we're gonna drive all the way up. If this is what plays out, we're gonna drive all the way up. So be vigilant. All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. All right. So looks like we want to continue breaking the lows. You look to the left. So here's the main thing. So we're breaking lows. How do I let's go to the 4 hour. We are currently, price is currently here, right? This is the other shoulder to the left. Truthfully, we weren't supposed to break this low here, because this is the shoulder it's supposed to match. We're supposed to turn bullish and continue up. That's how the inverse head and shoulders works. But now that we broke that low, the only other low we need to break is the part of the head, right? And it seems like it should be in play. So let's say today's bias is bearish. We are not looking for buys, we're looking for sells. I'm assuming we should get a push with news to break the lows, the head, so to speak. And yeah, I think we should drive. I think we should have a good day to continue driving down. We can set some targets. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think this looks good. Have 190 points roughly to target, to the overall target from where price is at now. So we got about 10 more minutes. We're gonna get a new 4-hour candle. Again, as usual, you already know what we want. We need a top wick from 10 points, anywhere between 10 points to 45 points. I want a top wick. And we'll have some sell stops. We'll have some sell stops placed. Hopefully we can drive all the way down. All right. And again, so here's the other thing. I did say with news, I usually don't want to trade with the news, right? With it coming out at 10. But us being so bearish could indicate that people already know what numbers are, right? And they're assuming that news is going to be bad. So I'm just going to take that assumption, add that to my confluence, right? We broke lows to the left. We're very bearish. Since last night, we've been very bearish. So next 4-hour candle, I will assume. And also with NYSE, we've been bearish, right? So I would assume this next 4-hour candle will be bearish as well. And we will have to see. We will have to wait and see. We'll try to have a tight stop loss just in case. But it won't be nothing more than hopefully 25 points. So let's see. Got about 9 minutes left. We'll start looking for entries. Whoa, 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 whoa. So target 1 is slapped already, right? And again, I do tell you guys, you don't just gotta wait for me to make an entry. You can. So I do market analysis, so anybody could have their own stop loss, market execute, whatever. So we still have 10 minutes or 8 minutes left of the hour. Last 5 minutes, I am expecting a pullback, so hopefully we don't continue down, hit target 2. We should get a pullback. Get a pullback, new 4-hour candle, has a top wick. I want to see something like this, right? Something similar to this. If that makes sense. Come up. Create a top wick. And then we'll take the body all the way down. We'll see. We will see. We will see. We will see. Give me 1 second, guys. right, we are back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Again, we got the last 5 minutes currently now. I want a pullback. I want us to come back above target 1. I would love that. Come up above target 1, 10 o'clock, create a top wick, and then we'll have a break of the low sell stop. That would be perfect in my eyes. But market's going to do what market's going to do. So we're just going to wait and be patient. Wait and be patient. We only got about 2 more minutes. 2 minutes, we'll start looking for a play. Yeah, today's looking very bearish, very bearish. Not too many lows to the left. It's just that major low. That head I was talking about. Pause. All right. But especially if we break through target 2, it's nothing but range going down, guys. So this should be a good day. It should be a good day. I'm excited. Let's see. One more minute. The way we're pushing, though, it's looking like it wants to drive. Looks like we just want to drive. We're not going to get a top wick. But let's see. Let's see. I have faith. We had a good week so far. Let's have faith. Gotta have faith. 30 seconds left. We're going to get news. We're also going to get a new 4-hour candle. And let's see how we manage to open up today. Let's go. Yeah, we're driving, man. Damn it. Give us a top wick. Yes, this is what we want. All right, we'll have but this could be news telling us 11,687. Okay, that'll be our BE point. We have a stop loss of about 40 points. All right, let's do that. Whoa, looks like we got an entry. All right, we're in, guys. Whoa, we already hit the sheesh. We'll stop loss to BE. Very good, congratulations. Whoever took that was fast. Good shit. Let's keep the applause going. Damn, I'm glad I got that quick. Congratulations. Anybody who took that trade, you should have some runners in. Look, man, these trades move fast. About to hit BE. BE, we out. Let's get it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
All right, wow. That was a fast trade. We did it with news. We just decided to, take a bit of a risk. That's why you move fast. I mean, it's I've noticed that it's a lot easier doing it on my desktop, right? I'm able to put the buy stop orders, the indicators, sell stop, take BE, do that all on here, but I'm also able to trade on my desktop as well. It's easier. On my phone, there's no way I would have been able to put that trade in. But congrats. We got. I was able to grab. Let's talk about it. I grabbed 10 points exactly. Another round of applause for everybody. Good shit. All right, that's love. That is love. Got another W in the books. You know what that means? Gotta update the record. It's only 3 days in. We got 4 W's. Tell me about it. To be real, I'm going to look for another trade at 10:15. Let's check and look at news real quick. Let's see what were the numbers. Some people might look at the way I trade as gambling, right? But my thing is I just want to get 10 points. It's not gambling. I just know I could get 10 points every day, and it's just easy, you know. I don't need those institutional candles. I don't need 100 points every day. I don't like to force it. Like, I'm perfectly fine with moving slow, taking it one day at a time, just, you know. So numbers were bad. 54.4. We expected 55.5. Forecasted 55.5, but it does say that if we're above 50, that's good for the market. So, you know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we're going to continue going down or we're going to turn bullish. If I were to put in a trade, what I would want to do is maybe have a sell stop at the break of this low. But we're going to wait for the next 15-minute candle and try to take a trade from there. Hopefully we can turn bearish. And then the next 15-minute candle, I'd want to see top wick. And then, of course, we'll break the low and continue down and hit all of our targets. That's what I want to see. But, again, the market does what it wants, and I'm perfectly fine with coming in second place. All right? But we did get 1 W for the day. Good shit.
Get 'em, daddy.
All right, so we're turning bullish now. What could this mean? Because again, my bias was bearish because look at this bearish candle, this previous 4-hour bearish candle. Closed with no bottom wick. My bias has been bearish just because of that. Like, I'm basing it off that. We broke lows to the left. We have a very bearish 4-hour candle. We broke lows. We're good. So I assume we would continue bearish, right? But the only other low we need to break is the head of this inverse head and shoulders, which is right here. And technically, we did break the low. This current low. We do have a lower low, which is the overall head, but we did break this low. So it could indicate that we're going to continue bearish. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm not here to try to assume anything. I just want to get in where I fit in. Got about 8 minutes. Get a new 15-minute candle. Hopefully try to look for some entries. Let's take a look at some of the other charts. See what news did. Gold, not too much. Not breaking lows. Creating a support or respecting the support here to the left. Yeah, looks like we're respecting the support overall. But I'm sure once we do break, we should continue driving all the way down for gold. Definitely look out for that, because if we break the lows, that'll be interesting. See Bitcoin. All right. At least this head and shoulders is kind of really playing out the way it's supposed to. So we're currently bearish. We've been bearish for the past few days. The weekly is very bearish. I'm assuming we're going to drop. We're currently at a minor support. But again, we're waiting for 12,000, 13,000, which should be coming up soon. GBP/JPY is very bearish. So is Euro USD. ETH's in a bit of a consolidation area. We're at support. Not too much going on. Today's going to be one of those chill days. You know why also? GBP USD is dropping. Tomorrow's going to be NFP. I've already talked about this. Tomorrow is going to be NFP. We have a big news day. It's always the first Friday of every month. It's a big news day. Tomorrow we're going to be here at 8:30 to catch it. We're probably going to have buy stops and sell stops. That's the strategy I'm going to try to implement to catch the news. It's going to be a very fast move. So we want to get in it, right? But yeah, we should get a lot of volume tomorrow. So far, our week's been amazing. 4 W's to start the month. Let's end the week on the right note. If we're lucky, we should be able to get a lot of points. I'm shooting for about at least 50. At least. But I think we have potential to get, upwards of 100. So, we'll see. We will see. We will see. Got 5 more minutes. We're going to get a new 15-minute candle. I do want this current candle to turn bearish. That would be ideal. But we'll see. We're going to wait. We're going to wait and be patient. Guys, give me 1 second. sorry about that. Sorry about that. We are back. Okay. We've got about 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. We're going to get a new 15-minute candle. I'm starting to assume that what this might end up being is a bottom wick for the daily candle, right? Like, this is all going to end up being a wick. We're going to turn bullish, flip the daily candle, and continue up. I think my inverse head and shoulders might still be valid with news. Because we are bullish, right? We're continuing bullish. I do want to start looking for buys. We're correcting this move that happened earlier. This is gonna be one of those trades. We have a new 15-minute candle coming up. I do think we're currently bullish now. We broke the high of the previous 15-minute candle. We have news that tells us we're bullish. We hit the lows, but now we're breaking the lows. If we can have a good bottom wick, I'm gonna have a sell stop placed, a buy stop. Oh, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. Let's wait for the bottom wick, guys. If we don't get one, it's all fine. We'll wait till 10:30, and that's what it's looking like. That is what it's looking like. Wicks are important. Wicks are important. Here's the thing. I talk about this enough. I say how important closures are. They are very important. Wicks are just as important because the overall thing is, in terms, we talk about getting the 10 points. When I get the 10 points, I don't even want to be in the trade for more than like 2 minutes. You know, I kind of want it to be market is creating liquidation by creating the wick, and then after the liquidation, we flip quickly. Flip quickly, grab 10 points, and get out. That's kind of the reason for the wick, so that we're not in long. Gonna push us with volatility. So it's all good though. We can wait till 10:30. I'm still expecting us to remain bullish with news. Even this is not too bad. Like, I wouldn't mind maybe having a buy stop placed. Maybe a 30-point stop loss. Okay. Thing is, these lows that we are right next to, these lows to the left, these are major lows. Things are a bit iffy. Things are a bit iffy so far. I'm not really eager to jump into anything. Exactly. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, we are back. Sorry about that. We are getting a new 30-minute candle in a little bit. Let's see. Hopefully, if we can get. Again, right now I'm currently thinking bullish with news. News is making us bullish. But what I do want is a bottom wick, and then we can find an entry. All right. We'll have our indicators so you guys know. All right. See, it's the last 5 minutes of this current 30-minute candle. Let's just see what happens. Again, all we want right now is a bottom wick. We're waiting for a bottom wick. Because this would be beautiful. This would be beautiful, guys. This would be beautiful. If we could come down, get a bottom wick. We see we're already kind of testing these current highs that we have. We get a bottom wick. We can break through these highs, and to the left all we have is range. We'll have the daily flip, and we'll continue going up. That's projecting. I'm projecting, but you know, see what happens. See what happens. About to get a new 30-minute in about 4 minutes. A little less than 4 minutes. See what happens. Just be busting up in here. All right, sorry about that. Sorry about that. But we are back. We are back. We damn near got close to breaking the highs, but we're close enough. Let's just get a bottom wick. Again, we're bullish right now. We want a bottom wick for the new 30-minute candle, and we will have some buy stops placed. Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's just get a bottom wick. That's all we want. Let's get a bottom wick. If we get a decent bottom wick, this will be fun. This will be fun. Another 2-trade day. Let's go. Pull back. Yep. Just like that. Here we go. Bottom wick me, please. Bottom wick me. We have 10,808. 10,818 will be the break. All right. This is how we're going to do this. Yep. We're going to have buy stops placed. Perfect. I think this is great. A good bottom wick. Our stop loss, we'll have a stop loss of about 20 points. If we go lower, we'll adjust. But let's have a stop loss of 20 points. I'm assuming because we're very bullish, news is making us bullish. We currently closed pretty much above current highs. I'm guessing that we're just going to keep driving up. So the bottom wick getting created. This is liquidation. If you don't know what that is, look it up. And then once we turn back bullish, we should pick us up in the trade and drive all the way up. And we should have runners. Let's set some targets so that we know what we're looking for. Okay, this is going to be a little... All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. This will be our first target here. This will be target 2. And overall targets will be up here. Not to say you have to get out of the trade with overall targets, because once the daily flip happens, assuming it does happen, we're going to continue up. We're just going to keep going up for a long while. So you can absolutely keep this trade in for a runner. Let's see if our stop loss is still valid. We'd be setting a 45-point stop loss at this point. Entry at 10,880, 10,808. Stop loss would be 10,762. That's trading view prices. Depending on your broker, it might be different, but all right. We have buy stops placed. We have buy stops placed. It's the last 30 minutes of the hour. Again, if we break lows, these 45-point stop loss stops. But for now, we are still valid. We're still valid. I'm expecting us to turn bullish, flip, and continue bullish. From our entry to target 1, it's about 16 points. So that's decent. It's pretty decent. Let's see what happens. Looks like we're creating a bigger stop loss. We might have to just delete buy stops. Let's see how much this is now. Pretty much a 50-point stop loss. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. If we go any lower than this current stop loss now, we will delete buy stops. I do still think the trade is valid. I do think we're still going to continue up. This again is just liquidation. So let's see. We're about to see right now. If we go lower, we'll delete buy stops. If not, we're still valid. Almost. And we're done. And this is why I prefer to set buy stops, sell stops for situations like this. If you're already in the trade, you're just losing. Like you're in drawdown, you're in the negative. Waiting for the closures, waiting for the wicks just makes things a lot easier on your heart, you know, like you're not going to be as anxious. It's just there's no rush. Wait for the flip and then the push. So at this point, we don't have any buy stops. We are currently done for the day. We did get one W. Congratulations to anybody that got that. So good for you, good for you, good for you. But anywho, we're going to call it a day. We're going to be here tomorrow at 8:30. 8:30 sharp. Probably 8:20, honestly. I'm going to get here early. I want to try to set buy stops and sell stops. Or buy limits and sell limits. Whatever it is I choose to do. You know, I don't know. We'll talk about that in the morning. We're going to figure it out together. But let's make some money this NFP. Let's get some bread. That's going to be the goal for tomorrow. All right. So be blessed. Have an amazing day. Of course, I want to say thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. We got 4 W's for the month so far, 3 days in. Let's keep this streak going. And yeah, everybody be blessed. Go kiss a baby. Go tell someone you love them. Call your mom. Call your dad. And yeah. See you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.